How to fix Facebook post limit. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the application Facebook. Simply enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into menu at the bottom right corner. Click on Not Now. Once you're inside the menu, at the bottom you can see the option of Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, move into Account Center and click on Your Information and Permissions. Once you're in this page, click on Access Your Information. You can see all of these options right over here. You simply need to click on Activity Log. Sometimes the Facebook also limits your post because you have posted a lot and the storage is no more. So all you gotta do is you have to clear all of the activity that you have done on Facebook. Clear all the activity and move it to trash. Also from the trash you have to remove it. After that it should fix the issue. But if you're still having the issue, then you need to simply move into the settings of a device and then head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and search for Facebook and then click on it. Tap on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's how you can fix Facebook post limit. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.